What's up, my cryptos? It's Sean, the Crypto Shaman, teaching you how to cash out your Bitcoin with some fiat currency. Let's go. In order to cash out, you need to get your Bitcoin from your hardware wallet to the exchange. There you'll be able to exchange it from Bitcoin to US dollars. At buycrypt.com, open your wallet and copy the deposit address. Now paste that into the send address of your hardware wallet. And now you're ready to send. But before you do, my crypto, double, triple check that you have copied the entire address. Because if you didn't, that Bitcoin is gone forever.